A federal appeals court has blocked the Biden administration from removing Texas's razor wire fences along the southern border. This ruling marks the latest development in an ongoing legal battle between the federal government and states over border security. CBS Austin's Jamal Kennedy joins us live outside the Texas state capitol tonight. Jamal, how are Texas leaders responding to this significant ruling tonight?
Well, Texas leaders are saying that this decision is a huge win for the state and border security.
This is an unprecedented attack on our country.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott made this statement to Operation Lone Star agents yesterday in Eagle Pass. Today, on the social media platform X, he was celebrating a ruling given from the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, siding with the state to keep its razor wire fences along the border.
To deter, to deny illegal entry into our country, to help deal with the consequences of it, to make your state more secure.
The ruling says the state is entitled to a preliminary injunction because it is seeking only to safeguard its own property, not regulate border patrol.
This mission that you're on right now is on your homeland. A mission on your homeland to preserve the safety and sovereignty and security of your very own state.
Back in January, the Biden administration asked the Supreme Court to allow Border Patrol agents to cut the razor wire, saying it impeded agents' ability to get to migrants as they crossed the river. Governor Abbott says in a social media post, President Biden was wrong to cut the wire. Meanwhile, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton says, in part, that the state has, quote, fought every step of the way for Texas sovereignty and security, end quote. In the opinion, the court says the razor wire is necessary to fulfill its duty of patrolling the border to prevent illegal entry into the country.
Of a threat that's not on some foreign land, but a threat on your very own border.
Now, the case is one of several ongoing immigration-related legal battles between Texas and the Biden administration, which could see a shift in approach from the Justice Department under President-elect Donald Trump's second term in office. Reporting live outside the Texas state capitol, Jamal Kennedy, CBS Austin News.